Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Welltrade. And I will tell you as quick as possible the most important parts that you need to know about Welltrade. Because right now we created an account and we are chilling now in the dashboard. But from here you need to know two things. And the first thing is we have a real account and we have a demo account. You can create a demo account by clicking here on open account. And then select here demo and then do open account. And then you can start trading with a demo account. That is better for when you're new. You can try things. You can put really big numbers for a trade without using your own money. So I can give you an advice, create a demo account to start with, and then you can play with that account. Then what you need to do is we need to go to trading. You can also do this with your real account, but please keep in mind, start exercising with a demo account. Then we click here on trading, and then we do demo MT5. And then right here, we have the chart. Now you see green candles and red candles, and the red candles are the down drops, the decreases, and the green ones are the increases. Now, the game that we want to play is that you want to buy on a low price range and you want to sell on a high price range. So a good amount to buy right here was, let's see, around 11,000, and a nice sell is 11,250. So what we're gonna do is we click here on new order and we can select here the volume that we want to buy. Now, let's say we want 0.2. Now, we can also create a stop loss by clicking on the plus or create a take profit by clicking here on the plus. But for now, we want to buy. So what we're going to do is we buy here right now. So we click on OK and we bought something right here. And what if you want to sell? We go to new order, select the amount, and then we click right here on sell by market. So now we sold it. So this is the game that you will play, and this is how Welltrade will works. You have a lot of more options, and if you have questions about them, please comment them below. But these are the simple steps that you need to know to start playing with the application. So hopefully this was the video I was looking for. I need to tell it again. I need to tell you this again because keep safe and don't do stupid things with real money. Please try the demo account, and then after that, when you think you are getting more knowledge, you can play with a real account. So keep this in mind. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.